good morning from Alila Seminyak.
Yeah, we've been absolutely loving our stay here so far. We're just standing out the front of our ocean view suite here.
Yeah.
Really, really nice. You can see the beach behind us.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. You can hear all the waves and everything. But for now, we're going to head to breakfast.
Yeah, and when we get back, we'll give you guys a room tour and show you all around. So here at breakfast you actually have a choice to order from a pretty extensive menu, and you can order at your table and I'll just bring it for you. But there's also a really nice buffet, open buffet, that you can go and select a range of things as well. And juices, I actually really love the jamu here, which I think is sort of a base of turmeric and tamarind. It's really, really tasty and it's meant to be good for antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, so I'm loving that. But yeah, it's so nice to be down here with the ocean. You can hear the waves. Such a nice way to start the day. So I just ordered off the menu a mashed avocado dish on sourdough toast, which is really nice. And I've got my jamu here and a little poached muesli.
And I got a poached egg on a sweet potato hash with, I think, beetroot and cauliflower, I think it said. But it looks amazing. It looks so good.
Yeah, so good.
Thank you.
So we just got back to our room after a beautiful morning. We, after breakfast, went to the Alila Spa.
Yeah, we both got different treatments. I got a 90-minute Alila Seminyak massage and loved everything about it. Everything, the massage rooms, the whole spa itself, my massage and my therapist, Bali, I think her name was. Everything about it amazing.
So welcome to the treatment room.
Thank you.
This is for the toilet, and it is for the shower, and also become to be the steam room.
Oh, thank you.
And for the treatment room, yes please, we have two couple. This one for the both beach shower, and for the silk bath the other side.
Thank you.
Yeah, so beautiful, such a beautiful space, and everyone was lovely. I actually got the reflexology done, which is mainly on the feet and legs. Super nice, really relaxing, and my therapist Ajus was so lovely. So that was great. Definitely recommend getting either one of those or anything at the Alila Spa done, whether you're staying here or not, because it was just, yeah, couldn't fault it. It was beautiful.
So this is our signature bath salt. It's good for soup, also balancing. And this is lime, also lemongrass. That's good for antiseptic.
Then from there we came back to the room, just freshened up a little bit and headed out and had a look around and enjoyed Seminyak. We had some lunch and then just ended up back here where we're going to spend the afternoon.
Yeah, the great thing about staying here is that it's a really good location. You're right on the beach. You also walk outside and you're surrounded by amazing places here, amazing places to eat, amazing beach clubs. So not only do you have great food and a bar here, but you have them all around you as well. So the location is really easy to sort of get around Seminyak. It's a really nice part of Seminyak, more in the Petatinga area of Seminyak. It's lovely. There's so many things that are just really close to walk to. So yeah, great location.
And the location is on the beach, and I can tell you our room in particular has a really beautiful beach view. As soon as we walked in, the first thing that we saw was straight through over the bed, straight through to the beach.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's amazing.
It's really close, so like Chris said, we walked in and we were just like, both our mouths kind of dropped because immediately you see the water right there, like
Yeah.
super close, hey?
Yeah.
It's just amazing. So
Like,
you can hear it at night time, the
We'll
waves.
show you in a moment. We'll do a room tour and show you around.
So as you first walk into the room, you have sort of across there a little mini bar, fridge area, place to put your things. And here you can see we actually have a little seating area, really, really nice. TV's over there, and here is a beautiful, comfy bed with amazing views of the ocean right out there.
Definitely the thing that stands out about this room is the view and having the beach just here. So let's go take a look. It's funny because we didn't do our room tour yesterday because it started raining, and it's just started raining again, but we'll continue outside and show you anyway. Yeah, so as you can see, right here behind us, the beach is just there. You can hear every wave crash. It's really relaxing. And yeah, being right on Seminyak Beach here is amazing. It's raining now, so they've just packed up the umbrella and the chairs here, but really great spot to relax.
So into the bathroom. So it's really nice. You have this really big wide shower head. I also have a handheld option too. And the bath, so nice. You've got the view of the ocean out here as well, but if you want more privacy, you can pull down the blinds.
So we really love the room, and that was just a quick room tour.
Yeah, we love the design. We love how it feels so luxurious, but still feels really homey and cozy.
Yeah.
And of course, one of our favourite features is the beautiful ocean view there.
But for now, I think we might head out for a quick swim, and we'll take you to the pool and maybe some other areas in the hotel. Yeah, so we just had a really nice swim at, I think, definitely our favourite pool, this top pool up here. It's really good.
Yeah, there's lots of seating, so relaxing and refreshing. You can swim to the edge, and it's actually raised, so you can see down over the beach. It's really nice.
The vantage from up there is really good. And
Yeah.
from so many angles, the pool water definitely melts into the water in the distance. It's amazing. So we're just down here at the beach bar. It's really nice, really great seating area and pool as well.
Yeah, right on the beach. So you can either swim in the beach or swim in the pool right at the bar.
We got a nice blue afternoon here, and it's beautiful.
So nice.
So we're just about to head to dinner.
Yeah, super excited. We're heading to Seasalt here at Alila Seminyak, and we'll show you guys everything.
So we made it down to dinner, and surprisingly, even with all the rain, we managed to get sunset.
And it's stunning as well. It's beautiful pink all over the sky. Really, really nice.
So we just got back from dinner at Seasalt, and we had a really amazing night.
Yeah, every dish was amazing,
Yeah.
delicious. A few standout dishes were the Wagyu beef dish was so nice.
Yeah, and we also loved the snapper baked in sea salt.
So this is our signature dish. This is snapper sea salt. So this snapper is already baked. It's around 20 minutes with the aromatic salt.
But then it went back and got filleted up and came back to us all nicely filleted, and it was beautiful.
Yeah, so that made it really easy to eat, full of flavour, really delicious, and we also had some desserts there as well.
Yeah.
The chocolate fondant was really delicious.
Really good, and we actually got the privilege of tasting a few sneak peeks of some Christmas desserts that are going to be coming out for Christmas, and everything we had was really good.
So one thing that we really loved about dinner as well is that they have a huge focus on sustainability. So whether that be using ingredients from their on-site hydroponic garden or sourcing ingredients locally here in Bali, it's really nice. And they also had sustainable cocktails as well.
Yeah, actually their cocktails are really good. We really loved all the cocktails that we tried tonight. Some that stood out to us were the black sesame, and the stretch pineapple as well is one of their cocktails that's zero waste, so they use every single part of the pineapple. And yeah, all in all, we tried a few and all of them were really good.
Yeah, and the staff were absolutely amazing there. They were all really lovely. They explained all the dishes, really friendly. Everyone was happy to have a chat.
Yeah.
And just overall, the experience there from start to finish was just amazing.
Yeah.
Definitely recommend it, whether you're staying at the hotel or not, because it's really a nice place to come, right by the beach. The setting is beautiful.
Yeah.
The design's amazing.
Yeah.
So definitely recommend it.
And especially at sunset too. We were actually completely shocked by the sunset that we got tonight. Ended up being a really beautiful sunset. The afternoon, there was a lot of rain this afternoon. We thought we weren't going to be able to get sunset, but yeah, we really loved it. All in all, we really loved our dinner tonight, and there was some really amazing food and cocktails, and yeah, amazing night. Yeah.
If you can't tell already, we're really loving our stay here. It's just a beautiful hotel.
So Mandy's already mentioned about how much we love the staff at dinner tonight, but just the staff in general, every different area of the hotel that we've met somebody, everyone's been so friendly, and yeah, we just love meeting and chatting to everyone.
Yeah, everyone's so friendly and relaxed, and yeah, it just makes the stay even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we hope you liked the look around Alila Seminyak. It's such a beautiful hotel. If you want to know any more information about our stay, we have a full blog post on our blog, AlmostLanding-Bali.com, which we'll link below in the description box.
If you enjoyed this video, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.